shrimp and grits. Guys, I hope that you make this one. This is amazing. Oh, by the way, it's totally keto. How'd you do it? Let me show you. Riced cauliflower is horrible, but if you cook it with a little stock and cook all the moisture out of it as you possibly can, it is actually good. This is my own homemade stock, little turmeric, jalapeno, and chicken. I really love this stuff. I made it last week. I'm going to continue to use it. Cook it until it's dry. We got our guanciale. We're going to cook this down and reserve some of that fat. Let's make a little gremolata. Yep, pepitas and walnuts, brown butter, a little seasoning. Don't burn this. It'll get really bitter, so be careful. It takes about a minute and a half total from beginning to end. Take it off it and put it on a paper towel and dry it off. It's super good. Let's make the grits. Flax and almond flour. Toast that in a dry pan first. It's really important. We want those earthy notes. It's really important if you're trying to mimic grits. Go ahead and add that dried out rice cauliflower. We're going to cook it. Not very long, because at some point we need to add some milk. This is 1 3/4 cups of milk. Now we're going to cook this for a while and reduce it. We've got some cream cheese, 2.5 tablespoons. We're going to mix that in easy does it. And then we're going to add some cheddar cheese, roughly a little over half a cup. Now turn this down low. You don't want to scald this. We're going to add some of those lardons to it, some of that guanciale, and look at that. That thickness is perfect. Okay, we're going to set this aside and get cranking on our shrimps. So I'm going to season those shrimps with my own special seasoning. It's my own Cajun seasoning. I make it here at home, but you feel free to do what you want. A little bacon grease. That's right, bacon fat. Throw those in there. And this is roughly 3 minutes, no longer. I'm going to, flip them around a little bit, keep it even, toss them some butter and just finish them. That's the way I like to do it. You can do it however you want. Now we're going to plate it up something special. We've got our lovely greens with the acid, our sweet shrimp. This is an incredible meal, guys. I hope you make it for yourselves.